We don't build buildings just to consume less energy, we build them for people to live in them. My name is Kotol. I deal with the indoor air quality and ventilation systems and how to provide the occupants with a healthy indoor environment and at the same time consume as little energy as possible. There is a potential for a new problem rising, and that is the health problems related to indoor air quality. Because as your house is tight, too tight, then you don't have enough natural ventilation. There is a risk of having more asthma appearances in children. It's something called sick building syndrome. That is amount of problems which humans experience when they are in a specific indoor environment. Greenland has actually started my entire career in this research. The common problem between Alaska and Greenland and also other cold climates is that often people want to consume as little energy as possible and they don't think about the indoor environment. And that of course is bad. We should always keep in mind our health because that's the #1 priority. Many of the houses are very old. One would think that since they are old, they are not too tight, so there is a lot of ventilation, which means there is no problem with indoor environment. But unfortunately, the opposite is true, because since they are too old, they are very poor insulated, so you have very cold indoor surfaces, which causes condensation of the indoor moisture on that surfaces, and subsequently you get mold growth and other moisture-related problems. Most of the houses in Greenland are built on rock, so there is no problem with permafrost. But on the other hand, since they are on uneven rock, they would usually make a crawl space underneath the house, and these crawl spaces never were enough ventilated, so there is a huge, again, moisture-related problem in that crawl spaces. If we want to behave energy conscious and if we want to decrease that energy, there is a huge need to do something with the existing stock. We cannot just tear all the old buildings down. We would have to find the solutions to renovate them. The ventilation system as the mechanical part of the house. How does it work in such a cold environment? Because as we know that the ventilation systems, they experience some typical problems related to such a cold climate. Just wanted to see if the ventilation unit is running. So in every room there is a sensor like this one, which measures the humidity, the CO2 concentration in the room, and again the temperature and humidity levels in that rooms. So based on the measurements, I can say what is the indoor air quality based on the CO2 concentration. Sustainable village is the exact example of what everyone should be doing. I mean, we should build houses which are energy efficient and healthy at the same time.